Hello and welcome to the S-ARGAME 2024 release. This release adds support to the mobile controller application so that multiple users can play together using their mobile phones without physical gamepads. But before diving into the details, here are some other helper features that have been added. Each game now has an information page with all the instructions, along with the gamepad button layout. It can be accessed from the dashboard or directly in the Running Game tab. Settings have been reorganized. In general settings, you can, for example, specify the maximum number of players, skipping the menus for a more direct join, change the camera scale to accommodate larger audiences and higher resolution projectors. Also, two new options have been added. You can decrease the intensity of the background and make it black, and you can also change the current background with the next one if you wish. The Rules settings is a new section where the game rules and parameters are organized in presets. You can choose to apply predefined presets to choose the game difficulty level. If you wish, you edit these settings, use the User settings, where every parameter can be edited. Most parameters can be changed also while the game is running, even if that's not recommended. When choosing a preset or changing it, always remember to click the Apply button. And now, let's go to the mobile controller. You can download iOS or Android versions directly on the stores and reach the app page through the Tools tab. In order to activate it, go to the General Settings and toggle the networking checkbox. After some seconds, you will receive the Join code. With this code, you will be able to play remotely from any device and network. Let's have a look now at the main features of the mobile controller. If your mobile phone is already connected to the same Wi-Fi as your PC, you will get the Direct Connect icon. That will get you directly in the game. If you are on a different network, also not connected in Wi-Fi at all, you need to insert the 6-digit code and join the game. This way, games and experiences can be played by any user having the code. Depending on the game, you will be able to choose between different input options. The virtual gamepad emulates a physical gamepad with stick and buttons. You can switch between input modes by clicking the icon below. The touch controller lets you reach any part of the screen by moving your finger on the touchpad. All input modes have specific settings. For example, touch controller pad can be changed in size. The gyro shooter input mode uses the internal gyro to emulate a light gun. When activated, point the phone to the center of the projection and touch the reset button. By rotating and tilting your phone, you will move the pointer on the screen. In the settings, you can modify the range to suit your phone gyro sensibility. In order to exit the game, look for the exit icon on the top right corner and keep it pressed. And here come some new games. Every backer can now install the 80s pack and obtain the first game, SnakePit. Who will be the SnakePit king? Challenge your friends in this evergreen classic inside a virtual arena with a neon arcade atmosphere. Juicy fruits and poisonous skulls await you in the pit. Collect fruits and make your snake long enough to win, but watch out. Skulls will make you lose points, and you'll have to start over if you hit the side of another player. Backers who pledge for the Kinetic Pack can now install it as well. KinetikPlayground is a game where two teams fight to make a flow of balls reach the goal and score points by placing a range of kinetic objects. Each player can build objects in the level to alter the course of the flow and either help their own team or harm the other's progress. Use fans, magnets, pipes, wheels, and trampolines to plan the best path and set it up as fast as possible. Then you can start harassing the enemy's strategy while keeping an eye on yours. The first team to reach enough points wins. Thanks for watching. Have fun and let us know. Greetings from the S-ARGAME team.